Yes, ma'am, Sania ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so the chapter is the story of the road. Who can tell me first of all what is this a short brief about this story? Who can tell me the brief of the story? कौन बता सकता है बेटा? Tell me your name quickly. We can start speaking one by one. Okay, so we have Namanjot here. Yes, Namanjot, can you please tell me a brief about this story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Namanjot, please explain.
मैम आज थॉट नहीं बोलना।
बेटा आपका थॉट मॉर्निंग में नहीं हुआ है? हो गया है ना मॉर्निंग में एक बार?
Ma'am, in
I
this
hope it
chapter,
has been done.
so
Yes,
many
Naman.
sounds are there, like
Okay.
chirp, chip, chatting, chattering,
Right.
ringling, tramp,
Right.
chatter, chatter are the
Okay.
examples.
Okay, very good. Now I want Dilpreet Kaur. Yes, Dilpreet, unmute yourself, bete. Dilpreet, unmute yourself, bache. And tell me something about the story. What have you read in this chapter and what did you understand? Beta, you all are requested to give a response. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Dilpreet. Okay, there is no response from Dilpreet. So those children who are not responding, yes, Dilpreet, अभी आपका mic बेटे हुआ था on. Okay, no issues. ID with the name of Harsimran. Unmute yourself, बच्चे Harsimran, quickly. And all of you, please switch on your videos. Harsimran.
Yes.
Yes, Harsimran, please tell me something about this chapter.
About this chapter.
Yes, tell me something about this chapter. क्या देखा है आपने? आपको क्या समझ में आया chapter में? If you have seen the videos, आपको क्या समझ में आया? Tell me fast.
We learn in this chapter about the sounds of things.
Okay, about the sound of different things. Okay. So what about the ending of this chapter? Chapter end कैसे होता है? Yes, yes, yes. Quickly, chapter end कैसे होता है बेटा?
The crow says the road, wake up, wake up. But the road is already awake, and he says, I am wide awake.
Okay, I am wide awake. Okay. So can anybody tell me, Harsimran, you can mute your mic now. You can please mute your mic. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of wide awake? If wide awake का meaning क्या होता है? What does it mean? The road is wide awake. Can anybody tell me? You can write in the chat box if you want to tell me the meaning. What is the meaning of wide awake? Okay, wide means broad. Vinisha has answered wide means broad. Okay, wide का मतलब होता है जो चीज होती है थोड़ी सी चौड़ी. Okay, जो चीज थोड़ी सी चौड़ी होती है उसे हम कहते हैं wide awake, right? अब जैसे कि यू कैन सी आप लोगों के घर के बाहर जो रोड्स होते हैं, कुछ एरियाज ऐसे होते हैं जैसे कि हमारे स्कूल के बाहर का एरिया है अर्बन एस्टेट. द रोड्स इन अर्बन एस्टेट आर वेरी वाइड. बहुत खुले खुले रोड्स हैं, वहां पर 2 कार्स भी एक साथ निकल सकती हैं. बट सम पीपल लिव इन एरियाज जहां पर रोड्स वाइड नहीं होते, वो नैरो होते हैं. ओके, So some roads which are very tight, जहाँ पर बहुत congested हो जाता है, आप एक टाइम पर 2-3 इंसान निकल ही नहीं सकते, 2 स्कूटर्स निकल ही नहीं सकते. Those roads are called narrow roads. So wide means जो चौड़ा होता है, broad होता है, जिसमें ज्यादा स्पेस होती है, and narrow means जो कि पतला होता है. Okay, so the road is wide awake. Wide awake का meaning यहाँ पर उसकी eyes के लिए यूज किया गया है. If you can see the screen also, screen पे उसकी eyes देख रहे हो कैसे बड़ी बड़ी eyes खुली हुई हैं. Can you see? Show me your thumbs up. If you can see on the screen, आप रोड की eyes देखो कैसी बड़ी बड़ी उसकी eyes open हुई हैं. So that is called wide awake. एकदम आंखें बड़ी बड़ी खोल के रोड जो है वो जाग रहा है. He is awake, right? So now let's continue with the further activities. These are birds. So I want ID with the name of Galaxy A51 to answer this question. What is the sound of a bird? Galaxy A51, please unmute yourself and switch on your video, beta. Galaxy A51. Quickly बच्चे जल्दी से response किया करो. Respond करना होता है आपको. Only then I'm able to know. Yes, बेटे.
Ma'am, narrow means?
Narrow means जो tight होती है. If you can see my hands, मैं 2 ID से login किया हुआ है. If you can just see my hands. Narrow means जो चीज एकदम पतली सी, tight सी होती है. Wide means बड़ा, ऐसे खुला सा. But narrow means एकदम पतली. पतली पतली गलियां होती है ना. जब आप मेन मार्केट में जाते हो, when you go to बांसावाला बाजार for shopping, if you live in फगवाड़ा, वहां पर आप देखो बांसावाला बाजार में कितनी रोड्स टाइट हैं. ओके, वहां पर निकलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. On the contrary, उसके बिल्कुल opposite, the roads which are outside our school, हमारे स्कूल के बाहर जो roads हैं वो कितनी wide हैं. They are so wide, right? Wide means खुला होना and narrow means tight. Okay, जब जगह कम होती है. Okay. So the sound of birds, I wanted to know from Galaxy A51. There is no response from this child's side. Okay, no issues. ID with the name of Baljinder Kaur now. ID with the name of Baljinder Kaur. Please unmute yourself, bete. Some children are raising their hands. Sargun, you have raised your hand. Do you want to ask something? यहाँ पर एक फीचर है बेटे, मोर ऑप्शन पे आप क्लिक करोगे, देयर इज अ फीचर कॉल्ड, उसमें हैंड रेज करने का ऑप्शन होता है. इट मींस दैट यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग. जब आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हो, यू कैन रेज योर हैंड. ओके, सो आईडी विद बलजिंदर कौर. टेल मी बेटे, व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ द बर्ड्स?
Chichi.
नो, इट इज नॉट चीची. व्हाट इज इट इन योर चैप्टर? आपने चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ा है? It is chirp, chirp. क्या होता है? Repeat it, बेटे. It is
Chirp.
Chirp, chirp. Okay. This is the sound. It is chirp, chirp. Okay, thank you. Now next, Baljot. Baljot, please answer this question. What is the sound of a bicycle? Bicycle की bell कैसे बजती है? Unmute yourself and tell me fast. Yes, Baljot.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Baljot.
Ma'am, tring.
Okay, in the chapter, what did you read? Chapter में आपने क्या पढ़ा बेटे? हमने कल करा है. The sound of a bicycle is
Tringling.
ट्रिंगलिंग, ट्रिंगलिंग. ओके, तो आपने ध्यान रखना है जो हमने चैप्टर में रीड किया है, हमने वही वर्ड्स यूज करने हैं. ओके, द साउंड ऑफ अ बाइसाइकिल इज ट्रिंगलिंग, ट्रिंगलिंग. एंड रिमेंबर टू राइट दीज वर्ड्स ट्वाइस. आपने 2 बार लिखना है इनको. ओके, यू नीड टू राइट देम ट्वाइस. 2 बार लिखोगे. ट्रिंगलिंग, ट्रिंगलिंग. थैंक यू बलजोत. नाउ नेक्स्ट, आईडी विद द नेम ऑफ गौरी जोशी. ID with the name of Gauri Joshi. Yes, please answer this question, bete. What can you see on the screen? Unmute yourself. Okay, what is the sound of a crow?
Can I speak?
Sound of a crow. Beta, nobody will unmute himself or herself till the time I don't say it. जब तक मैं नहीं कहती, आप लोग नहीं करोगे unmute. ID with Gauri Joshi. Sound of crow is good morning, bete. Good morning.
Cow,
Cow, cow.
cow.
Cow, cow. C-A-W, that is cow, cow. Very good. Okay, next I have one more picture on the screen. We'll do this quickly. ID with the name of Avni. Yes, Avni, unmute yourself, bete. Unmute yourself, Avni.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, switch on your video.
मैम मैंने स्विच करा है.
Okay, so tell me, what is the sound of the shoes of children? बच्चों के shoes की sound क्या होती है? Okay, no issues. Can you tell me the sound of their talking? जब वो बात करते हैं तो क्या sound होती है बच्चों की? What is the sound when they talk? Yes. Chatter, chatter. Okay, it is chatter, chatter. Their sound is chatter, chatter. जब हम बातें करते हैं, हम कहते हैं कि आप chattering कर रहे हो. Okay, that is called chatter, chatter. All right, thank you, Avni. Screen is visible, beta. Please check carefully. Next is ID with the name of Harvinder
मैम जो वो
Kaur.
गिटार से मैम वो आ रहा है, जो पिक्चर है वो नहीं आ रही है.
आप दूसरी आईडी से चेक करो. I have logged in from 2 IDs. Please check from there.
मैम की एक आईडी का आ रहा है, पर जो दूसरी आईडी है ना आपने जहाँ पर स्क्रीन की है वो मैम छोटी आ रही है, मुझे फिर दिख नहीं रहा है.
Okay, please wait. I hope it is visible now.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, it is visible. Check carefully. Check once again. Okay, so the sound of the children when they speak, it is chatter, chatter, and the sound of their shoes, it is tramp, tramp. उनके shoes की sound होती है tramp, tramp. ये आपको learn होनी चाहिए because as it is आपके paper में आएंगी. Now, who can tell me that which vegetables was the vegetable man selling in this story? Write in the chat box who wants to answer this question. Which vegetables was the vegetable man selling in this story? वो कौन सी vegetables बेच रहा था? Yes, who can answer this question?
मैम नमनजोत.
Okay, yes, Namanjot. Which all vegetables were there?
मैम peas, cauliflowers, cabbage,
Okay. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbage,
potatoes,
potatoes,
potatoes.
right?
Carrot.
Okay. So we shall discuss this question tomorrow in the next lecture also, in the next period also, that which vegetables was he selling. Now there are a few more sounds which you must know. आपको ये इनके बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए. Otherwise we have discussed them also already. But I want to know whether you know it or not. So this is a horse. So what is the sound of a horse? Who can tell me? Who can write in the chat box and tell me what is the sound of a horse? The sound of a horse. What sound does a horse make? Yes, Gorika. Unmute yourself, Gorika, and tell me what is the sound of a horse?
Nee.
It is neigh, neigh. It is not nee. It is neigh. I-G-H-S. Neighs. The horse neighs. Right? The sound of a horse is neighs. Okay. The next one is a dog. Right. Who can tell me what is the sound of a dog? You can write in the chat box. Bow bow is fine, but then we say the dog barks. The dog barks. All right. Then we have an elephant. The sound of an elephant is Who can tell me
मैम
that?
आपकी स्क्रीन अभी भी नहीं दिख रही मैम, की गिटार वाली स्क्रीन दिख रही है, पर जो आपने एलिफेंट पता नहीं क्या है, तो वो छोटी स्क्रीन आ रही है।
It is visible. Check properly.
Mama, I
बच्चे,
can
it is
speak
visible.
dog voice.
मैम मैंने आपको स्क्रीनशॉट करके भी भेजा था अभी।
बच्चे
बेटा, पर मेरे
पिन
को
कर लो,
visible
जहाँ पर आपको मैम की स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना, छोटी स्क्रीन दिख रही है, उसको पिन कर लो, उसको ऊपर टैप करो तो फिर आपको दिखेगी वो।
मैम मैं टैप कर रही हूँ, पर जो मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं ना, जब मैं दबा रही हूँ तो फिर मैसेज का चैट खुल रहा है।
बच्चे आप स्क्रीन दोबारा उसको हाथ लगा रहे हो, इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। मैम की स्क्रीन प्रॉपर्ली विजिबल है।
ओके मैम।
Okay, no issues. आप धीरे धीरे सीख जाओगे. Okay. Don't worry, you'll learn it slowly. Okay, so next is elephant. The sound of elephant is, yes, it is trumpet. Very good. Pratiksha has given the answer. Har Simran, very good. It is trumpet. The elephant trumpets. Next is a cat. The sound of a cat is,
मैम क्या
write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. Mew.
एलिफेंट की क्या होती है?
The sound of elephant is
मैम I
trumpet.
can speak.
You can have a look on the screen
My
also.
God.
It's trumpet. And next is sound of a cat. It is mew.
Meow.
Cat mews. Now you must be having this question in your mind that मैम ने हर sound के साथ s क्यों लगाया है? वो s इसलिए use किया है because I'm talking about one single animal at a time. एक बार में मैं एक ही animal की बात कर रही हूँ. That is why, according to grammar, we have to use s with the verb when the subject is singular. Okay, so a cat mews and a duck quacks. A duck quacks, right? Now you are aware of all these sounds now. There is a small activity for you. Everybody please mute yourselves, all of you. There is noise from your side. Please mute yourselves. Now here is a small activity for you. For that, quickly get a rough notebook and your pencil and colors. Quickly. Get a rough notebook, pencil and colors. I'll give you 1 minute. Quickly get a rough notebook and pencils and colors. Quickly, quickly, be quick.
Ma'am, we can use sheet.
Yes, you can use sheets. Everybody please mute yourself, Bete. Some children are still unmuted. Let me see who is unmuted. Okay, so it's fine now. So what you are supposed to do is that open a rough notebook and draw a scene of a busy road. एक busy road कैसा होता है? Busy road means ऐसा road जो खाली नहीं है, बहुत busy है, उस पे बहुत सारे लोग travel कर रहे हैं, लोग आ जा रहे हैं, cross कर रहे हैं. Many things are happening on that road. That road is called a busy road. Okay?
हम कैसे
once
बनाएंगे?
आप draw करो. Use your creativity. You do so much drawings in the drawing period also, and you were in second also. तभी आप English के period में drawing ही करते रहते थे, if you remember. So use your mind, generate some idea, and draw a scene of a busy road. Okay? And after that, you have to write a few lines about it using present continuous tense.
Ma'am,
आपको फिर yes बेटा.
ma'am, please repeat.
Okay, I'm going to
Photo
repeat it.
खींचनी.
खींचनी नहीं है आपको photograph. You have to draw a scene of a busy road.
आपको भेजना है मैम फिर?
रोड की पिक्चर
नहीं
बनानी है।
भेजना. No need to send me. No need to send me. Just draw it
तो
on
क्या?
your notebook. एक
Okay, ma'am.
road draw करो जो कि busy road है. Busy road means it is not empty. वो खाली नहीं है. उस पे some people are traveling. There are some things on that road. लोग बातें कर रहे हैं या कोई sound आ सकती है. तो वो किस चीज की sound हो सकती है? That is called a busy road. Okay? And then you have to write a few lines about it using present continuous tense. फिर आपको उसके ऊपर कुछ lines लिखनी है present continuous tense में. And for that, first of all, I want to know from your side that what are the rules of present continuous tense? Who can tell me the rules? Let me see. Can Madhvi tell me the rules of present continuous tense? Yes, Madhvi, unmute yourself and tell me the rules of present continuous tense. Somebody's mic is on. This is Prabkirat. ID with the name of Prabkirat. Ma'am, please unmute the mic. Sorry, please mute the mic.
मैं muted.
मैं भी वही देख रही हूँ मैं भी वही
Diksha,
देख रही
please
थी
mute. ID with Diksha. Diksha, please mute your mic. Prabkirat, mute your mic. Yes. Yes, Madhvi. ID with the name of Prabkirat. Okay. Madhvi. बेटा this way we'll have to remove you. जिनके mics on है उनको मैं remove कर देती हूँ मीटिंग से.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Yes, Madhvi, can you please tell me the rules of present continuous tense?
मैम में आई
I want it from Madhvi.
मैम ing फर्स्ट फॉर्म मैम ing फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एक्सक्यूज मी मैम एक्सक्यूज मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट करने के लिए बोला है गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Tanya ma'am, your mic is muted, ma'am.
I'm going to stop sharing the screen now.
मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट किया था